Well, hello again and welcome back to the channel. I couldn't resist coming back down to the Crick Heath wharf and winding hole, which is over there, and I shall be doing some drone footage of that. So this is as far as they've got at the moment, but there is the restored canal, looking fantastic. Couple of barges there. This is what we've still got to do. There you go. So, as you can see, some work to do. All good stuff. Hey, well, I'm going to go and pop down there and have a look what they've been up to, the volunteers, this last weekend. I'm excited to see that because, well, I didn't manage to get there. I have volunteered, but I'm caring for my parents and it's not easy to get away. But I'm sure I will be able to get there sometime. So looking forward to that. But anyway, well, I've come a little bit further down and I'm actually in the bed of the canal. Look at this. And look what's going on here. Isn't it fantastic? Wow. So here's the lining. The all solid blocks. Gives you an idea of how deep it's going to be, doesn't it? Well, well, well. Wonderful stuff. Well done. Well done everybody involved. That's brilliant. They're doing a great job, aren't they? Wonderful. Look at that. Be bursting through there before too long. They'll be down to the bridge and joining it up with the other bit. Now whether they'll actually join up with the other canal straight away or carry on through perhaps to the bridge at Crick Heath, or Crick Heath as we call it, we'll have to wait and see. But anyway, they're doing a great job, and if you can volunteer, please come down. I'm sure they'll be pleased to see you. Open for anybody that could lend a helping hand. It's not that complicated. Just follow the instructions. It's great, isn't it? I think it's fantastic what they're doing. I really do. It's going to be good to see. It'll be good to see it when it's all done. Because here we go. Just over there, of course. Just round the bend. There is the bridge. Just round the bend, there is the bridge. And Crick Heath wharf and winding, what do they call it? Winding hole, winding hole. I've got to learn all the terms. I'm an amateur at this, but I'm loving it. Anyway, thanks for watching this little video. If you can help, please do. I'll put all the details in the information down the bottom there so you can read through that. So, thanks very much. Subscribe, like, thumbs up, all that business, all helps the channel. See you next time.